I don't know, but I'm recording it.
It can go with the bubble wrap. I'm not into it.
Go in the video, go in the video, you're in the video! This video just got so much violence.
She's trying to punch me.
I'm gonna throw the ball at you.
You can go with the bubble wrap video.
Oh yeah. I'll put on everything. What just happened?
I fit in there.
What?
I fit in there.
Oh my god, he's actually doing it!
Another one. How are you gonna get out? My thumb won't fit. Barely one arm.
Oh my god! I'm recording it, man!
Oh my god,
Now it's gonna end up being like abusive now.
Hey, somebody grab his arm.
Ariel.
Grab his arm. Grab his arm. Grab his arm.
Go, Megan, go. Go, Megan, go. Go, Megan, go. I'm recording. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Grab his arm. Wait, we're going to spin that way, but we're going to go 1, no, you. 2,
You okay?
Yeah. Get back a little bit. Get back a little bit.
Nice.
A little more. Bugger, I can't put that in the face. Alright.
Huh? Yeah. It's still going.
Very close.
It's like, yeah. This, and Miss Minerva's like, whatever. Kevin, how are you going to get out now?
Same way I got in. What? Wait, what? Hey, let me scoot back. Let me scoot back. Let me scoot back. This will destroy me.
Dude, the chance to snap in half in like 5 seconds. Oh my god, yeah, because it keeps leaning back.
Really, Kevin?
I'm sorry, I know. If I wasn't like afraid of throwing up everywhere.
I would throw up, but I'm afraid to fall off.
Oh yeah. Miss Minerva doesn't even care. Stop kicking people! Kevin, say hi.
Hey, Rob.
Yeah, go for it. I'm kind of waiting for you to like get out so I can stop the video.
You can stop the video right now. I'm about to get naked, motherfucker.
That's awkward.
Who's that? Barbara?
Barbara!
Barbara? Man, you you are fat as hell.
He told me to sit on you, I'd say.
Dude, it's Nathan. Nathan's like the opposite of fat.
Yeah. You would know.
Ow.
Woo, ribcage.
Watch. Get it. What the?
Where is the lever for the
Ow. Why?
No, don't do that.
This looks so weird. Oh my god, this looks so weird. Look at that. Oh my god. That is so awkward. Oh, this is going on the internet. This is going on the internet. Oh my god. I know. Dude, I'm ending this like as soon as they stop spitting. Okay, say bye.